Hey everyone, I'm here today with a new wig to review. This is the wig, it's the Inspiration wig. So as you can see, the bottom is like super white, blonde, and then the top is darker. So it is an ombre wig. It's in the color ombre blonde. It's 22 inches, so it's pretty long, and the cap is completely lace. So it's lace all the way around. You have a comb here, couple combs here, and then some adjustable straps, but it's a very long wig, very beautiful, super beautiful. It also comes in this little like velvety box right here, super cute. First things first, I kind of already adjusted it to like pretty tight. I like mine pretty tight. I haven't cut any lace. I just want to show you my first impression. So let's go ahead and put this on. Again, you always want to hold it from the back. I like to push my forehead on the lace, bring it over the hair. So the first thing I do, I start to adjust it. So I start on the bottom, pulling it down. This one I do not, or has lace ear tabs. So you can take these ear tabs and kind of pull it down, adjust it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this brush, just kind of gently brush the hair. Now I would not end up wearing the hair maybe in this way. I'd probably change it, but it's very beautiful. As you can see, super beautiful coloring. I'm gonna just try to change the part. Now I feel like this hair, I think it came in like a middle part, and normally I'd use a spray water bottle to like change the part over, but right now I'm just kind of working it over with my hands, and it seems to be like moving over pretty easily, because I like to wear mine kind of over. So I'm just kind of like feeling it out, seeing what it looks like. I'll kind of show you guys more of the coloring. The hair itself feels really beautiful. The length goes down to like here. So even though this says 22 inches, it's a longer 22 inches than other wigs. For instance, I have a wig that says 21 inches that comes right here, and you can see how much longer this one is. So this is a really long wig. Okay, I want to show you one more time the up close. Okay, still very beautiful. I think this is going to be a really pretty summer wig. I can't wait to like customize it fully. I just wanted to show straight out of the box before I do any customizations what this wig looks like. Very beautiful.